What's up, everyone? All right, well, doing another session of back testing. Let's see, am I able to change the name of this? All right, passing. Oops, passing a prop firm challenge. Live back testing. Okay. Well, welcome to the live. So we've been playing around with a few different indicators and a few different strategies and just coming up with some different things. And so we've come across one that seems to be working pretty good so far. And so just kind of a little bit of information. This charting platform is called Green Charts. It is awesome. Super easy to back test strategies, like the easiest of everything I've ever tried so far, which is really nice. So I back tested just before I started this live the month of December using this strategy. And the parameters I had to stay within is I couldn't exceed a loss of 3% per day and 4% total. And after 74 trades, after simulating the month of December, had an 89% win rate at a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. And assuming that we're trading with a $100,000 account, that would have yielded $13,600 or 13.6% return. And I also did some calculating. If I'd done the same strategy and adjust my lot size to allow for a total 10% loss and 5% loss per day, that would be 10 lots on gold, and that actually would have been just over $20,000 that we could have pulled. So we're going to go ahead and just pick a random month to try this. Let me pull up a random date generator on my other screen here. Random date generator. And I'll pull that up and I'll have it pick a random day for us. All right, this works. Okay, so weekdays, just one day. So we'll just pick any random day within the last, say, 3 years, 4 years, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. And get dates. All right, it looks like we got today. Wait. Oh, timestamp. Oh, okay. Let's see, which order is that? Is that the 6th? 6/4? We'll say that's June. It's June 4th. So June of 2024 is what we'll go ahead and back test. I don't know if I got that order right, but it's still random either way. So June. So we'll go back to June here. We'll go back to the first trading day, weekdays. So we'll do Monday through Friday. Okay, and then we'll reset. And I think what we're going to do is we are actually... what do we want to do? Yeah, we'll keep the same parameters. So again, kind of what we're assuming here is we're trying to pass a $100,000 challenge, and the parameters are you cannot exceed a 4% loss in a single day. Sorry, a 3% loss in a single day, and a 5% loss overall. So 3% a day, 5% overall. Those are the parameters that we have to stay within. And I think having a lot size of 4 on gold is going to be ideal to help us stay within those parameters. So I'll talk about the strategy. So only have a few indicators here in 2 charts. So both of these are gold. This is a 10-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart. I have a moving average set at 200, a 200 moving average, and I have a 50 moving average on my 1-minute chart. And then this looks like a MACD, but it's not. It is actually, what do they call it? A trend intensity index set at a period of 14. That's just the settings that just popped up automatically, and it's super interesting. I've kind of liked playing around with it a good amount. So, so I think what I'll do, I'll explain the strategy. So basically, first thing we're gonna look at is our 10-minute chart. If the price is above the 200 moving average, we're looking for buys. If it's below, we're looking for sells. That simple. That's all we're looking at over here. And then over here, we'll start with this. So if we are above, so we're going to be looking for a buy. So all I'm going to be looking at is waiting for this green line to pass above, or to close above this 80 level. And when I'm looking to sell, I'm looking for it to close below this 20 level. And as long as we are in the right spot here, we get the signal here. And then as long as we are, our take profit does not go between the price and the 50 moving average here, then we'll go ahead and take that trade. And then we have another trade scenario too. Well, we'll actually take a trade against the trend looking for a pullback, and I'll show you that when it comes up, because it's not as common, but it does come up. Okay. So we're going for, this is technically 100 pips. So 100 pip take profit on gold and 400 pip stop loss at a lot size of 4. And if we lose one trade, then we stop trading for that day and just move on to the next day. That makes sure that we don't go over our 3% in a day. And that would allow us to lose 2 in a row without going over, and then give us room on that next third trade after 2 losers to, we can have a little bit of drawdown before the trade goes our way. So if we lose 3 in a row, we're basically out. So that's it. So we'll just go ahead and click forward, and so we're looking for buys right now. So we're just going to wait for this to go above that 80, and this moves really fast. So you actually do get a lot of looks. And we have our buy here, still above the 200 moving average, and we're not going to have to worry about passing through our 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart. So that is our signal to buy. Oh, and one other rule. I also have a 5-bar average true range up here. If this is above 2, I'm not going to take any trades. It's too easy. When the price is moving too fast, it's too easy just to hit our stop loss within a single bar or 2. So we want a little bit of room to play. So as long as this is below 2, we're good to take the trade. So we'll go ahead and take the buy here. And you can see there's our take profit, there's our entry, and you can see both take profit, entry, and our stop loss is way down there. This is it. And this will do all the calculating. There we go. Got it. Okay, and then we're not going to take another trade until this goes back down and then back up. Okay, however, we are technically below here, and we're about to go below the 20. There it is. Okay, we're not below here anymore, so no trade there. If we're already down here, and if this closes below, then we'll go ahead and take that trade when this 10-minute bar closes. Candle or whatever. Okay, so this closes right here. This is down here. We'll go and take this sell. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're above now. We just broke above. Take a buy. We don't have to worry about passing through our moving average there. There we go. Okay, so this is the scenario where we could look to take a sell. So we'd be looking for get some money on a pullback. So when this is just chilling up here for a long time, we're going to kind of wait for this red to catch up. Okay, I don't think that I'll take this one, but when this green kinks down, I want it to go through the red and also have that red section right there also start pointing down as well, and then I'll actually take a trade in the other direction. But this one isn't quite what we're looking for there, even though it would have won, it looks like. but we're still looking for buys right now. There we go. Take that. Got it. Okay. Nope. Red isn't quite pointing down how I want it to. It means it wasn't up there quite long enough. Still looking for buys. Okay. And we are only looking to take trades from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. And that's Mountain Time. That's where I live. Oops. Okay. All right, on to the next day. So we're just going now. So 4 trades, 4 winners. Okay, so we're looking for a sell. I don't think that red got quite close enough. Okay, we'll take this though. Got it. Okay, now we're looking for maybe a pullback. Okay, this will probably be a prime example here. There it is. Okay, so never mind for a few reasons. So I'll go ahead and push buy just to show you, but we have to fight against the moving average here, so that's not ideal. And our ATR is well above 2, so we're not going to take that. We'll just ignore it, even though it looks like it would have won. It's okay. Wait for things to cool off a little bit. Okay, still above 2, so we're not going to take that. Okay, might get another... Okay, this is exactly what I'm looking for. So we are below 2. Passed through red, and red is actually pointing up too, so we can go for a trade against the trend. So we'll go ahead and go for a buy, same size. Got it. And as I've been playing around with this, I've been anywhere from 89 to 91% win rate overall, so I'm hoping that stays pretty consistent. Okay, we're going for a sell here, and I like this indicator, does it? Because it doesn't necessarily completely mirror the price action. Like, this is still going down, even though we had a bit of a reversal here, but yeah, let's take this. Got it. Just like that. Okay. All right. 9 o'clock, we're not going to take that. Next day. Okay. All right, bear with me for just a second here while I look at something real quick. Okay. Sorry, just one more second. All right. Let's go through this day now. Okay, we're looking for buys. And I find it does tend to do a little better when there's some good distance between our price action on the 10-minute chart and our 200 moving average. It just happens to be the case. Okay, there's a buy. Not fighting our 50 moving average here. Got it. Okay, not quite close enough to go for that reversal. Okay, we'll take this buy. Just barely under 2. I mean, if you round up, it is 2, but we're going to go ahead and take that. Okay, we might get a reversal here. There it is. Take that sell. Got it. Okay, and we'll go and take this. Got it. Awesome. So I'm actually surprised we've actually won 11 in a row. So up 4.4%, just almost a week into the month. So this is looking good. Also at 7:30, if we are already above here and above here, I will go ahead and take this trade, this buy, as long as green is not pointing down. If it's flat at the top here or pointing up, I'll go ahead and take a trade right at 730. So yeah, just so you know, we do take those. And we're going to go ahead and take this reversal as well. Oh, okay. So there, oh no, we actually won. So it went down before it went up. Okay. Neat. There's our buy. It's actually really nice, bouncing off our 50 moving average. Got it. Okay, not quite breaking through right there, but we do on this one. Okay, let's get up. I'm not going to enter two trades at the same time with this strategy. There we go, got it. Okay, that's the day, next day. Yeah, so if we were doing like a two-step challenge, those would be super tough parameters. The 3% and the 5%, especially if you have to go for 10% and then 5% after. So if we can pass this, then this could probably pass pretty much any challenge. Not that it would pass every single time, but yeah, these are some pretty tough parameters. Okay, we're looking for a sell, so we'll take one now. Oh, got it. Okay, maybe get a reverse. I think we will. There it is. Okay, red is barely pointing up there. Take that buy. Just kidding. ATR is over 2, so we're going to leave that alone, even though it would have won. That's okay. Might get a sell here, though. And sometimes, even though we're, basing our trend based off of the 200 moving average, we're still going to go for those reversals, I guess you could call them, even though it's going with the trend. There we go. So we'll take that sell. And again, we're not having to pass through our 50 moving average right there. Ooh, oh, see, super close. Ended up working out though. Okay, we'll take a sell. And this actually looks textbook, so should be good. Yep. Yeah, this is textbook channel right here. So that would, a lot of people are looking to take a sell right here anyway. If you're looking at the 10-minute chart. Awesome. All right, next day. So we've taken 18 trades and haven't lost any yet, which is actually amazing. And you saw we picked this day based off of a random date generator, so no funny business going on here. Okay, I'm just checking one more thing here. Bear with me. Just a second. Okay, one more thing I need to check. There we go. Get out. There we go. Okay, now we can continue. All right, awesome. So go ahead and take this sell very first. At the very start, got it. Okay, have another one right here. Okay, we have our first loser. And like I said, whenever we lose a trade, we stop trading for the day and then just move on to the next. So that's what we'll do. So 20 trades in, 95% win rate. We are up 6%. So the 3% and 4% that I'm keeping as my parameters are actually based off of an instant funding account. So there technically isn't a challenge for that, but I figure if we can hit 10, 5% profit using those parameters, then we're going to be in pretty good shape to pretty much pass any prop firm challenge that we're looking at. Okay, looking to go for a reversal here, so we'll take this. Not fighting our moving average, perfect. Take our buy. Ooh, okay, go. There we go, got it. Okay, not quite looking at that reversal. That's the day, perfect. Okay, so we're almost halfway through the month and we're up 7.2%. And let's see if we can go. Okay, we'll probably take a buy here in just a second. There it is. Take that buy. Got it. Oh, you know what? Actually have another buy right here. We'll take that. Not fighting against our moving average quite yet. Oh, okay. So we lost that one. So we've officially lost 2 trades out of 25. And this is kind of awkward, but whatever. All right, this one we're probably going to be fighting against our moving average. Let's just check. Yeah, we're going to be fighting against that, so we're not going to take that trade. Even though it would have won. It's okay. Just following our rules of the strategy. Okay, we will take this one though. Got it. And we actually have another one here. Got it. Nice. Next day. So we're back at that 6.8% after that loss there. And again, we're kind of basing this off of trading a $100,000 account. Okay, we'll take a buy. Passing through the moving average here. Got our wick, our shadow, our tail, or whatever hanging out right there, so that's a good sign. Got it. Oh, you know what? We might have a sell. Yep, so we passed through right here. We are below our 200, so that would be a sell. Yeah, perfect. And I'm not just taking trades because I know I'll win them. I'm actually trying to take every trade that our strategy tells us to take. So, okay, there's another sell. I'll take it. Just kidding. So we're above 2 on our average 2 range here, so we'll go ahead and cancel that out. Okay, looks like it would have won, but yeah, we have our rules, and I've come up with those rules for a reason. So there's a sell. I don't think we're going to have to fight with our moving average here. We're not. In fact, I think that's good. Got it. Okay, next day. Okay, we're 8%. And again, we're back testing for the month of June, and we're just about halfway through, and we're 8% already. Okay, so looking for buys. And there one is, not fighting our moving average. Got it. Okay, might get, nope, no, reversal. There's our buy. Okay, we did lose that one. And again, we're kind of sitting at that 91% win rate so far. And I imagine that'll kind of be about where we end up. That's just kind of been where we've been at with previous back testing. Take the buy. Got it. Okay, that's the day. Oh, sorry. We did not follow rules. So we are supposed to stop trading if we lose a trade. So I need to go back and make sure. Okay, so we would not have taken this trade or that trade after losing that, and we would not have taken the one we just took. Okay. Which is unfortunate because, it would have been better overall, but I find that if we're in conditions where we even lose one trade, we're in the kind of conditions where we're susceptible to lose multiple trades. So that's why we have that rule. We want to make sure we're not making unnecessary risks to get out of our parameters of our prop firm. There's a sell. Got it. There's a sell. Got it. Okay, I will, if we stay up here, I will take a trade when this 10-minute closes, which is right here. We are still up there. I will take this buy. Got it. And we might even be able to get a little reversal. Okay, I'll go ahead and take this reversal as well, since we're not fighting the moving average. However, we are fighting this one. I think I'll still take it. Yeah. Little, it's something I hadn't really thought about. I should probably make rules for that. Okay, no, I'm not going to do anything there. But I'll take a buy here. Nope, 9 o'clock. Okay, sitting at 91%, 7.5% return so far. Now, this is one of those situations where we are below the 20 here. We are below with just this, right when we're starting off the day, but our green line is not flat or pointing down. It is pointing up, so we're not going to take that sell. However, this buy we should have taken, so we'll go ahead and do that. And it ends up losing. Let me make sure something actually. Yeah, so we would have taken that. So we do lose that one. And we're just going to go ahead and go to the next day after losing. So we're sitting at 89%. Okay, and again, parameters. 3% per day, 5%, 4%. It's either 4 or 5%. Overall, I want to say 5. Okay, we'll take a buy here first thing. Ooh, okay. Okay, so now we're kind of at the point to where if we actually lose a third one in a row, then we will lose our challenge or lose our account or whatever, because we will be out of parameters, and that'll be the 5% overall that will be out here. Well, will we? I think it's 4% because that's why I had our stop loss set at this amount to lose. So 4%. I'll have to double check. But anyway, we're assuming if we lose 3 in a row, then we're done. So hopefully we don't lose 3 in a row. Okay, we'll take a buy here. And this does look pretty choppy and scary, I'll be honest, so that's not ideal. Okay. Okay, looks like we might get a reversal here. There it is. Go for that little pullback. Okay, now we're back in. Got it. Let me make sure we weren't... Okay, yeah, we were good. We weren't above 2 on our ATR here. Oh. Might get another pullback. I think we will. Just needs to start going down just a little bit. There we go. I'll take that sell. Got it. Oh, just kidding. We're past 9 o'clock, so can't take trades past 9 according to our rules here. Oh! Oh, and I'll be right back. I need to go take care of something. All right, we're back. Had to take care of something real quick. All right. Next day, we're looking for buys at the moment. Unless we close below, which we do, so I'll go ahead and take a sell. Yeah. Got it. And we'll probably go for a bit of a little reversal. Right. Wow. Wow, this is a mess. Okay, there we go. We'll take this reversal here. And we'll lose it. Okay. Wait a sec. Oh, I took 2 right there. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to move on to the next day. Okay, so we're sitting at about 85%. And we got some good distance from our 200 moving average on our 10-minute chart, so that's good. Looking for sells. There it is. Got it. Got some makeup to do here. Take another sell here. Got it. And there's a sell here. Ooh. Okay. Nope. Take a sell here. Got it. Take a sell. I mean, technically we do have to fight against... yeah, I better not take it. Yeah, we committed not to take it, so... Take this one, though. Nope, because we're fighting against our moving average again, so no trade. Okay, same thing, fighting against our moving average. And this is looking really choppy, so not ideal in any case. And we might get it. I don't like this, so we're not going to go for that. But we will go on the next day because it's past 9 o'clock, so we'll see what we can do there. Okay, I'll go ahead and take this sell. Got it. Oh, we got a reverse here. Go take that buy. No. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out if I like going for these reversals or not. I'm not 100% sure I want to keep those in the trading plan for this strategy. So still technically profitable overall, but definitely have some ground we need to make up. Okay, you got that. Barely, it looks like. Got it. Probably get it. Yeah, go for that little reversal. Got it. Looks like, nope, no reversal there. Take a buy here, though. Got it. Might get some reversal. I think so. Right here. Got it. Actually, we got to get rid of that one because that was past 9 o'clock. So I don't think we're going to be passing the prop firm challenge within the month. So it looks like we'll have to move on to July. See if we can get a reversal here. There it is. Take a buy. Oof, oof. Scary, scary. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about these reversals. Might have to do testing on just the reversals and see how that goes and see if it's worth keeping them in or not. Okay, we're going to be fighting, probably going to be fighting up against our moving average here. We're below, so we're not taking that buy here. But we will take it here since we are above now. Okay, I'll take that buy. Got it. Okay, I'll take a reversal. Got it. Okay, we might. Okay, we are going to go ahead and hop in. This bar's closing underneath, and we're hanging out down here, so we'll take a sell. Got it. We might get a reversal here. There it is. We're just keeping an eye on that, looking for that kink. Got it. Okay, we might get another one of those type trades. Actually, if we close above, okay, we do, so I'll actually take a buy. No, we won't. It's past 9. Okay, so we've gone through June. We got up to like, what did we get? 7.8%. You know what? We might have actually broke parameters on the total loss overall. So, yeah, I don't think this would work unless we just really lowered our lot size and yeah, allowed for up to 10% loss overall and 5%. I think that makes a little bit more sense, to be honest. Yeah, so we'd be kicked out. So let's go ahead and pick another day from our random date generator. Yeah, we'd be out if it's 4% overall. Okay, so here's a random date generator here. We just need one date. And we'll go back as far as 22 and get date. Okay, hold on. I want to be sure about this. Okay, August of 23. So that's where we'll go. Okay, and we'll just start on the 1st of the month. And reset this. And I do think I am going to go for a 5% daily loss and 10% total loss, because I do think that is a more common parameters for a two-step challenge. So we're going to go ahead and go for that. Don't mind me just eating a Ritz cracker. All right. Which means we need to adjust this. Okay. How do we want to do that, actually? Let's see. So we want to be able to allow for 3 losses in a row. So basically we just need to divide 10 by 3. So we need to have something that equates a loss, basically 3,300. So what was that, 1,600? Sorry, just trying to figure out the math in my head right now. Okay, so equals divided by 4. So I think that's 8.3. Let's just do a test. Should end up being 33, give or take, or sorry. Okay, yeah, that's actually perfect. Okay, so let's go back. So 8.3. And put that back where it needs to be. Okay, so again, 4-to-1 risk reward ratio, we're assuming about $100,000 account or a prop firm challenge going for $100,000, 2 steps, draw account down more than a total of 10% and more than 5% in a single day. Those are the parameters. Our strategy is our signals whenever the line crosses these points here. And our direction is whether we're above or below our 200 moving average on our 10-minute chart. And we just want to make sure that our trade isn't fighting against the 50 moving average on our 1-minute chart. So that's basically the strategy. And we have a couple, one other situation where we can take a trades against, basically looking for a pullback against the main trend. Cracker. Okay, so we're looking for a sell. And let's see if we can stay within parameters. Okay, got it. Okay, we might get a pullback here. I don't think the red moved enough there. Looks like we would have got it though, that's okay. Oops, we did get a sell right here, which we're not going to go for because we'd be fighting against our 50 moving average. So just look for the next opportunity. And then there it is right there, just cross here, still below our 200 moving average. So, one other rule I forgot to mention just now, we have to make sure that our 5-bar ATR is below 2. Okay, got it. What's nice about having a lot higher lot size is we're going to hit our targets a lot faster. So that's nice. Okay, still looking for sells. Take one right there. Come on, there we go, got it. Okay, and we're trading from 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Mountain Time. Those as the time frame that we're back testing here. So even just after 3 trades, we're already up almost 2.5%. And this does not take into account spreads or commissions, so that is something worth noting. Okay, looking for a sell. There it is. Got it. Okay, we might get a pullback here. So with the pullback, we're just looking for this green line to be nice and straight for a long time and this red line to be super close. And we just want a jump from the green line crossing the red and the red looking like it's following. So it looks like we will probably get that in just a second here. Okay, exactly like this. We're going to go ahead and take a buy. So we're just looking for a pullback against the trend to pick some of that up. And, oh man, I need to make a rule. Okay, I am going to make a rule where we will close out these pullback trades no matter where they are if we enter, if we get a signal to take a trade in the other direction. So we'll go ahead and close that for, whatever that is. Which, I don't know how I feel about that either. What do we want to do? No, we're gonna. Okay, let me go back. We're just gonna let the trade run and not enter any other trades. So if we lose, we lose. And it's looking pretty 50-50 right now. Ooh, almost lost. Yeah, let's go 10 minutes at a time here. Okay, that actually won, so. Ooh, actually, sorry. No, we broke a rule. So if we lose a trade, wait. Oh, that's the one. Okay, that's the one we just took, but we actually won. Okay. Yeah, one other thing I forgot to mention. If we lose a trade, we'll stop trading for that day and just move on to the next day. And that's just to make sure that we don't break our daily loss limit. No sense in making unnecessary risks like that. Okay, we could get a reverse. There it is right here. Okay, got that. Oops, and we have a sell here as well. Got it. Okay, nope, no reverse. Yeah, that's there. No. Have to fight against our moving average here to break through, so we wouldn't take that. It was a little iffy whether or not that actually went through right here, but I think I would take this right here. Yeah, don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, because if we were solid about not taking this trade, even if we were through here, just simply because this was kind of iffy, if we're solid with that, then we wouldn't have entered right here. So, but we did. So we'll just go ahead and move on to the next day. And again, our target, it's trying to get this up to 10,000 and then 5,000 after that. Okay, we're looking for buys. We'll take that right there. Got it. Might get a reversal. Yeah, I'll take that. Move back to our moving average. We could get, yeah, I'm not taking that. We're fighting against our moving average there. So we'll just ignore that. Same thing, even though we got our signal here. Arguably, yeah, no, I wouldn't have taken that one. So just on to the next. And that's what's nice about the strategy is you actually get a lot of looks. So if you miss, if you decide not to take a trade, you'll get some more opportunities. Okay, still fighting against our 50 moving average, so we're not going to take that buy either. Okay, looks like we can get a... Okay, we're past 9 o'clock, so no more trades. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the chat or the comments. Or roast me, whatever. If you think my voice sounds funny. Okay, yeah. And if we are in the situation where right at 7:30 we hop in and we're flat or pointing up here above our 80, then we'll go ahead and take that buy. If it's the very first thing. Ooh. Okay, it's looking Okay, that kind of sucks. Okay. So still in the green technically. Let's see if we can get some winners. Looking for sells right now. And again, we're just looking for this to... Yeah, I don't like this choppy. Let's see. Yeah, we're fighting up against that moving average. No way we take that. Just on to the next. Okay. Yeah, I think we'll go for that. Come on, there we go. Okay. Okay, that's the day. I shouldn't be so emotional about this. I want it to do good, obviously. Okay, looking for sells. There it is. Got it. There's another signal. Got it. There it is. Got it. Ooh, had another one right here. Yeah, crossing through, so we'll take that. Got it. And we might... Nope, okay. 9 o'clock. And there you go, just like that. One really good day, and we're already at almost 6% return there. First target's 10%. Okay, we'll take this sell. Okay, perfect. Oh, you know what? We actually have a buy right here. So we're back above our 200. And yeah, we're across here. Just pass through a moving average here, so we're not fighting against that. Got it. Okay, if this closes below and we're still kind of looking the same down here, then we'll go ahead and sell, which it does. So this is closing right here, and we're flat here, not pointing up. So we'll go ahead and take the sell here. Still below 2 on our ATR. Always need to remember to keep an eye on that, but we might get a reversal here. And it looks like right here, yeah, it's a little weak. Okay, we still got it though. And we have another sell. Oh, maybe, there we go, got it. Okay. Next day. All right, one more trade and we will have hit our first target. Okay, we're looking for sells. There it is. Okay, got it. All right, so we officially would have hit our first target in the challenge. And we actually would have hit it the last month we back tested too if we were working with these same parameters. So we've officially hit our first target of 10%. So we'll go ahead and start this over. And then they had that second step just to make sure that the first wasn't a fluke, I guess. I don't know. So we'll start that over, and now we're going to aim for 5,000. And if we hit it, then we would have passed our challenge for a $100,000 account. Take that sell. Okay, not a great start. But we did pass our first step. Okay, so I'll take a sell here. There we go. We might get some reversal action. There it is. I'll take that. Up. Got it. Yeah, it was ugly, but I don't care if it's ugly if it wins. We might actually get a quote-unquote reversal back toward Yeah, that actually looks really good. So we'll take this sell here. Ooh, no, 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 no. Oh, get down there. It's like 50-50. Oh, come on. Okay, let's move 10 minutes at a time here. Just speed things up. Okay, we did lose that one. Ah! All right. Well, looks like we got some ground to make up. So as long as this doesn't get down to negative 10,000, then we're still in. Okay, we have a sell to start. Oh, jeez. We did win, though. Still clicking 10 minutes at a time. We'll probably get a reversal right here. Okay, move back to the moving average here. Just the way to go. There we go. Got it. Yeah, I don't want to go for that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, if this closes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take a buy. Something about it I don't love, but that's okay. Still won. That's good. And we have another buy. Got it. Cool. All right, next day. Okay, we just need to get this up to 5,000. Okay. No, not going to do that reverse. Oh, hang on. This is a buy right here, since this moved above our 200 moving average. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it's like 50-50 right now. Man, it's just not moving. Darn. Okay. Okay, we got some ground to make up. Yeah, and this kind of goes back to what I said. The kind of seems like the further we are from our moving average on our 10-minute, the more consistent our trades are, it seems. Oh, gosh. Ooh. Okay. Well, we lost that one. So, okay, so again, if we lose 3 in a row, that's game over. Ah, dang it. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, we are going to take this buy. Uh-oh. Ooh. Oh. That would be a heart attack moment for sure. Okay, nothing there. Yeah, nothing. Maybe a reversal. Yeah, no, we're going to be, yeah, we're going up against our moving average, so no go. We'll take this, though. Ooh. No, we're not, because still going against our moving average there. However, we will take this because we closed above and we're up here where we want to be. I'll take that buy. Come on. Oh, no. Yeah, now it just doesn't seem like we're getting enough movement here for some reason. Come on, wrong way. Okay. Darn it. Okay, so we did end up breaking. Okay, so we would have lost there too. So I'm trying to think what we could do to mitigate a few of these losses. So this is just kind of part of the process of creating strategy, is thinking about what you could do to increase your consistency. And again, I've said this a few times, like the further away we are from our moving average over here, it does seem to be a lot better. So maybe we can just simply make a rule like we got to have some consistent good distance or whatever from this moving average here, and that could get us over. Ah, darn, that stinks too, because we did hit our first step of 10%. Yeah, this is why prop firms are so hard. I want a Ritz. Yeah. Well, I think we learned something based off of this. Um so yeah, I think we don't want to be trading stuff that looks like this. I mean, yeah, it's hard to see. The thing about making rules about like this sort of thing is it's pretty tough to make objective rules about that, because then you get more into you know what you think, and it's not hard rules. So, well, I think I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. But yeah, I think it was good. Learned a little bit about kind of what we can be looking at over here to be a little more consistent. So awesome. Well,